Salt is not only the table salt that you sprinkle on your food. This is actually sodium chloride, and it is only one kind of salts. Salts are crystalline solids. So these are two properties. First, they are solids. They are not liquid, they are not gases, but they are solids. And the second thing is that they are crystalline, which means that they are found in the shape of crystals. As you see in these three figures, these crystals can be of many different shapes. The first figure shows you sodium chloride, which is the table salt that you sprinkle on your food. The second figure shows you copper sulfate, and it's blue. And the shape of the crystal differs from that of sodium chloride, and it's also different from iron 3 nitrate salt. So salts are solids, they are crystalline, and there are many kinds of salts.